Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. It's Friday, so another love bite for you. Let's see what energy shows through for you today, Aries. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support. And if you're new here, Aries, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. Queen of Wands, my first card, Aries. That's you, right? This is your card. All right. So, and if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Aries, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Aries, I see you very, very heavy at work, it seems. Not really wanting to go out and party and waste time, just socializing, but concentrating on yourself. Healing, yes. Healing, resting, working. This could be your other person. One second. Temperance, Four of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. Yes, there is somebody else here in the mix, Aries. There is a King of Pentacles here. I don't know who this is for you. I'm going to figure this out. But the cards I have on the table right now are the Queen of Wands, the Three of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Temperance, Four of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. So Aries, there's a lot of reflection, healing, contemplation, maybe a lot of praying going on here as well, Aries. Somebody is kind of wondering what to do, maybe how to get a reconciliation back with you, or vice versa. So let me start, Aries, with some dialogue message cards as always. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And one more, Spirit. 2, 3. All right. Let's take a few more from here, Aries. 1, 2, and 3. Actually, for what I'm feeling, since I have a King of Pentacles here as the underlying energy, this could be this person's energy, right? They are maybe in solitude right now, thinking, praying, and trying to wonder how maybe to take action. They want the Wheel of Fortune to start moving again, but somehow kind of confused. Not confused, but they don't know what action to take, I feel. Let's take a few more from here, the messages from the heart. They feel that person's kind of turned their back on them and they're feeling quite in lack right now, feeling neglected, unhappy. All right, thank you. Okay, Aries, let's start with your first card. The first card here says, you go to bed with someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be here making love to me. I don't see anybody with anyone else here, Aries, though. Maybe this was in the past. This person may have given that impression, but as of now, I do see them totally by themselves, feeling in lack, feeling left out in the cold, and I don't see them with anyone else either. Trying to, in fact, figure out what work to put in, because they don't know how to get a reconciliation with you. So this could have been something that they did in the past, or that's the impression one got. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. Maybe that's the reason they're not taking action, because they find this Queen of Wands very, very sexy and very dynamic, and they don't see them making any effort towards them. So they're feeling, oh my God, maybe, my feminine has turned their back on me now, and maybe they're with someone else. It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? Maybe this King of Pentacles was very much into money and finances and, stuff like that. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, my whole life. I admire you and I care about you. I trust you. I respect you and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. These could be unspoken words, Aries. Maybe they are dreaming this up, fantasizing, thinking, but I'm not sure whether they've actually said this or you've said this to your person till now. I like so many things about you that I don't even know how to tell you that I love everything about you. I think that you were made for me and I was made for you. There's no one in the world as amazing as you. I need some time to collect my thoughts. Yes, I think they've come to all these realizations by taking some time out. This person is thinking. I mean, if you see carefully, this person is, they have their hands on their chest, on their heart. They're thinking. I think they're ready to lay down these swords, which mean they may have kept up all this while, but now the more time that they've been in this, solitude or feeling left out, the more they think about their feminine, the more they realize how wonderful this connection was. Okay, so Aries, what I'm going to do is take an angel blessing card, see what my angels have to say to this. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Retreat. Yes, somebody's taken a step back to think about what they've done. Or this could actually mean a real retreat for you, Aries. I doubt it in the COVID, you can go anywhere. But from what I see here and what I see in the center card, I think both of you had kind of retreated from this connection for the time being, thinking about, the reality of the situation. Which is important, I think, which is very, very important. Otherwise, sometimes, one ends up taking people for granted. And when you lose them and you feel in lack is when you start valuing them. So let's start clarifying these cards. Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Queen of Wands and the Three of Cups. Yes, Aries, this could be you. I don't know. This Queen of Wands, there's a feminine energy who is dynamic, who's a go-getter, who's beautiful, who's turning heads. So I think somebody got a bit jealous here. This person got a bit jealous and they kind of made some foolish remark, or they made some foolish mistake, or they said something which was rather rude, and that kind of created some bad memories now in this connection. I don't think there is any joy, happiness left in this connection with the Three of Cups, or no reconciliation happening at the moment. Three of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Three of Cups in reverse. Yes, you both at crossroads right now. At least this person is, whoever was the jealous person who said foolish things or did something foolish because they couldn't stand how gorgeous their person was. They may have felt that they were maybe not good enough or something like that. And yes, now, there's a lot of planning going on, feeling at crossroads, not knowing now what to do, how to rectify, how to work on this connection now and, bring some kind of healing or peace back to this connection. Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Eight of Pentacles. I think in their jealousy, in their anger of feeling jealous, I think they probably made a very big foolish mistake. Yes, things have really stagnated at the moment, Aries. Things are not moving at all. Somebody is now kind of thinking what work to put in. How do I go back and give an apology? How do I say my sorries? How do I make that offer of love once again? What work can I put in that, this beautiful Queen of Wands will allow me back in? They're thinking of what stable offer they can make with an apology, what work they can put in. They want to show up now as a proper person, like as a King of Pentacles. See how good I am. I'm actually a nice person. I'm king. I'm a king. I'm a king of Pentacles. I want to take action. I am successful. I can take care of you. Maybe in the past they showed up in this kind of energy, and that's what led to the breakup. This really, really mean and hard and unemotional and jealous and spiteful person. And this was just their foolishness. They got jealous because I think this feminine was glowing, like shining. Okay, so Queen of Cups spirit. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. Yes, this Queen of Cups has turned the feminine has turned her face away from this connection now, saying that, hey, listen, I was giving you all that love, but I think I'm going to go into self-love mode. This has become too heavy for me to bear. All I'm doing is giving you love and looking good while doing it. Yes, of course, that's my birthright. But if you're going to always behave like that, then I'm tired. I can't deal with the connection, which is always going to put me in this stress and overwhelm. Four of Swords, again the Queen of Cups again. Yes, this Queen of Cups is taking some time out. Aries, this could be you. Now from that open cup of love, you put a lid on it. I've shut my cup of love. I'm not giving it to anyone except my own abundance, my own work, my own self, my own business. And I'm going to keep quiet about it as well. I'm not. So Four of Swords spirit. Four of Swords one more. Four of Swords. Four of Swords. They're aware. I think this feminine is aware that people around them are probably talking about this connection or keeping a watch. But this feminine has grown to become quite strong and resilient now and has learned how to protect themselves from any energies which are going to be not good for them. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles. I think this kind of protective stance that this feminine is taking is kind of bothering this King of Wands now. They may have been very self-centered in the past, but right now this King of Pentacles, this King of Wands feels they've lost their power. They don't know how to take action anymore because this Queen of Wands or this Queen of Cups is not revealing anything. They've gone into hiding, I think. They've gone undercover, underground. So this King of Wands doesn't know what action to take. I don't even know where they are, what they're up to, and feeling rather left out now. Earlier, maybe this feminine was always sharing information, talking to them, this is what's happening in my life, that's what's happening. But now since all the secrets are being kept now, this King of Wands is a little confused as to how do I make this work now? Feeling left out. I don't know what's happening in their life. Whereas when I see the feminine, all the feminine is doing is working and healing, retreated from this connection. So Temperance spirit, Temperance. Oops. What's this Temperance card spirit? Temperance. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Two of Pentacles. Wow. What's this Tower coming in now, Spirit, for Aries now? Alright, Aries. Just as you're healing, trying to get out of this, feeling of I don't want to stay, in this board, or neglected, rejected place that I find myself in, healing yourself and feeling all right. So, if no commitment is coming from the other side, I'm never going to be given that position, the Queen of Pentacles with the King of Pentacles, but the Queen of Pentacles is in reverse. So feeling I'll never ever get this offer. There may be a message coming in soon for you, Aries. There may be a message coming in for you to say, hey, can we drop this now? This going back and forth, is it possible to drop this? Let's transform this connection altogether, put an end to the old, and release all toxicity from our life. Right? Whatever's happened in the past, let's just leave it behind. This is going to probably be quite a shock again. This is going to kind of confuse you once again, because the offer is going to be of long-term commitment, the one that you thought you'll never get. It's going to put you back into a place of confusion to say, what happened now? Just when I kind of gave up. Am I right, Spirit? Am I right? Yes, this chapter hasn't shut down completely. I don't think you'll be accepting it though. You're putting your guard up. You don't want another go around here, Aries. You don't want another go around. You are suspecting, if I turn back now, there is a big possibility of me being left abandoned out in the cold again, because you don't feel the love anymore, it seems, or at least one person doesn't. There is going to be a comeback, another tower moment, and of course the decision will be yours, Aries. Each one of you is going to decide something else. Some of you may retreat, or some of you may go for a romantic holiday together. So that's all I have for you, Aries. Take care, love and light. Namaste.